Hey guys, now this isn't my normal setup for a video. Obviously I'm doing this on the fly, but Subway just released a brand new cookie. That's right, for a limited time only. Looky looky, your boy's got a cookie. Comes in this little plastic bag. The new Reese's Pieces Subway cookie. Let's open this up. Actually, wait. I got a POV cam footage over here. There you go. What? Look at that. Reese's Pieces inside of that soft baked cookie. Boy, does this ever look good. I can count maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Reese's Pieces. So it's definitely packed with chocolate. Let's try this out. Buttery. Peanutty. You can taste the Reese's Pieces, guys. This is a hit. This came out to like $1.20, $1.30 tax in. This cookie here, super worth it. The calories on this thing doesn't even matter. I think it's 220 calories, which is the equivalent of like a medium fry at McDonald's. But dang, is this a good cookie. If you're a fan of Reese's Pieces, and you're a fan of Subway's cookies, that's a good cookie. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you enjoy these quick fast food reviews, why not check out some of my other videos? Give us a subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now. I gotta go that way and buy more cookies.